Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gaming 60% keyboard is probably one of the most sought-after peripherals for gamers who value both performance and a compact setup. Today, we will explore what makes a great 60% keyboard, the key features to look for, and help you find the perfect one to elevate your gaming experience, increase your efficiency, and optimize your desktop space. We will also cover the pros and cons of using a 60% keyboard and address common concerns, such as the learning curve and the lack of dedicated arrow keys. Number 5. RK Royal KLUDGE RK61. It's an ultra-compact keyboard with only 61 keys, perfect for a clean desktop. Even if you're not a minimalist, you'll appreciate its space-saving design and practicality. This is especially great for gamers who need more mouse room. These switches are quieter and easier to press than blue switches, making them ideal for both typing and gaming. They offer a good balance of tactile feedback and reduced noise. Many find them faster for double tapping and still satisfying to use. It features 18 RGB backlight modes, 8 monochrome modes, and 1 full color mode. Enjoy vibrant lighting while you game or type at night. The lighting options add a fun and personalized touch. This keyboard boasts a scientifically designed keycap layout for maximum comfort. It keeps your hands in a natural position to reduce fatigue during extended use. This helps minimize typos and is perfect for anyone who spends hours typing. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android. We're committed to providing excellent customer service. Contact us anytime with questions, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. It features a hot-swappable design, allowing you to easily change switches to customize your typing experience. The brown switches provide a balance between tactile feedback and quiet operation, making it suitable for both typing and gaming. If you value versatility and a comfortable typing experience, this keyboard is for you. What people say. This keyboard has more RGB settings than you could ever need, and they're much better than glorious. You don't have to go and program ones you want on their software. And you don't need to download software to use this keyboard. The new RK61 is now configurable via QMK and it's amazing. First course of action when I hooked it up, program away the configuration key combos. No more fat-fingered reconfigs. It's a sturdy, classy, fun keyboard. The RGB lighting is an absolute showstopper. The vibrant colors and customizable lighting effects bring a mesmerizing ambience to my workspace. The mechanical switches are a dream to type on. Each key press feels satisfyingly tactile, providing a responsive and precise typing experience. Number 4. Razer Huntsman Mini Keyboard. Get ready to experience lightning-fast keystrokes with the Razer Huntsman Mini. Its innovative optical switches register your commands at the speed of light, giving you a significant advantage in any game. This keyboard uses light-based actuation, making it 30% faster than other clicky switches. Enjoy that satisfying clicky feedback with unparalleled responsiveness. Customize your gaming experience with millions of colors and lighting effects. It seamlessly integrates with your other Razer devices and popular games for complete immersion. It's built to last with a durable aluminum top frame and oil-resistant PBT keycaps. Enjoy a premium feel and long-lasting performance. Program macros and remap keys to execute complex commands with ease. Take control of your gameplay with Razer Hypershift and fully programmable keys. Experience truly responsive in-game movement. Prioritize the latest input between assigned keys for a competitive edge. Easily toggle this feature on or off in Razer Synapse. It's the top-selling PC gaming keyboard in the US. Join the ranks of top gamers and experience the difference. What we like. This keyboard boasts incredibly fast optical switches for lightning-fast responsiveness in games. Its vibrant chroma RGB lighting and durable PBT keycaps add a premium feel and enhance your gaming setup. If you prioritize speed and high-end aesthetics, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Razer Huntsman Mini 60% analog gaming keyboard is a compact powerhouse that has transformed my gaming experience. From its adjustable actuation to the portable form factor, this keyboard is a game-changer in every sense. The standout feature of the Huntsman Mini is undoubtedly its analog optical switches. The adjustable actuation allows me to fine-tune the keyboard's responsiveness to suit my playstyle. The rapid trigger mode takes things to the next level, providing a tactile and audible click that is incredibly satisfying. The 60% form factor is a revelation in terms of portability. The compact design not only saves desk space but also makes it an ideal companion for gaming on the go. The double-shot PBT keycaps ensure durability and a comfortable feel with every press. Number 3. Snpurdiri 60 Keyboard. It's small and perfect for any situation, business trips, gaming, or even the office. Its compact size, without a numpad, frees up valuable desk space. The key height is ergonomically designed for comfortable, fatigue-free use. It provides a satisfying mechanical feel, yet remains relatively quiet. Enjoy 6 backlight effects and 8 colors to customize your typing experience. You can even adjust the lighting speed and brightness to your liking. This keyboard's classic black and white design is both stylish and mature. Plus, the detachable cable makes it easy to pack and carry. It features a stable USB Type-C connection. The keycaps are upgraded with double-color injection molding for enhanced durability and a clear, luminous look. We're dedicated to continuous improvement. Your satisfaction drives our pursuit of better products and ongoing upgrades. What we like. Its compact design is perfect for saving space on your desk, and the RGB backlighting adds a touch of style. It offers great value for its price, making it a budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential features. If you're looking for a stylish and affordable keyboard, this one's for you. What people say. The Snpurdiri 60% wired gaming keyboard is a great compact option for gamers or anyone looking to save desk space. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, adding a cool touch to my setup. The keys are responsive and feel good to type on. I gotta say I'm shocked at how good it feels. I have a $70 keyboard I was using before this and this feels better to me. I can customize the RGB lights and they offered a lot of color options. My son loves this keyboard. The keyboard is easy to use, sounds great, and is a pleasure to type on. My son insists it has made his gaming even better. Overall, this filled the desire he had for a gaming keyboard. It is a nice typing experience for non-gamers, it is compact and doesn't take up much desk space, and lights up in a very cool and pretty way. Number 2. MageGee MKBox Keyboard. It's incredibly compact, saving you valuable desk space. Yet it includes all the essential keys, including dedicated arrow and function keys, perfect for both work and play. Experience the satisfying click and crisp feedback of the mechanical blue switches. They offer precise tactile response for an enhanced typing and gaming experience. It features stunning blue LED backlighting with 15 customizable modes. Easily adjust the brightness and speed to suit your preference. With full anti-ghosting, every key press registers accurately, even during rapid inputs. The ergonomic design and adjustable tilt add to the comfort. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. Simply plug it in and start using it, no drivers are needed. The gray and black design is both stylish and durable. The detachable USB cable and double-shot keycaps ensure long-lasting use. What we like. This keyboard provides a satisfying tactile and audible click with its blue switches, perfect for those who enjoy that classic mechanical feel. The LED backlighting adds a nice visual touch, and the compact size is ideal for those with limited desk space. If you like the clicky feel of blue switches and want a compact keyboard, this is a great option. What people say. It comes with a keycap puller which is nice. The caps come off pretty easy, they include extra caps of different colors so I was able to swap them out to match the image. Its durability for coding and command line operational work will be tested in the coming years. I'm hard on my keyboards, but at first blush, this is a simply excellent replacement for my old DKs, and at 1/8 the price. It's got 2 sets of flip-out feet for 3 possible height settings, it's very compact, and it has the sharpness that I require from a mechanical keyboard. The buttons feel awesome and include some extra keypads for free, does make a bit of noise but not too much. Number 1. Snpurdiri 60% wired keyboard. It's a 60% mechanical keyboard, perfect for saving space on your desktop. Its small size makes it highly portable. The detachable USB-C cable adds to its portability. You can easily disconnect it for travel or storage. Experience the speed and responsiveness of mechanical red switches. They require less force, making typing and gaming more comfortable. Enjoy a vibrant and colorful typing experience with its rainbow LED backlight. It adds a fun element to your gaming setup. It features adjustable feet stands to ensure comfortable use, even during extended periods. Find your perfect typing angle. It seamlessly works with various operating systems, including Windows XP, 7, and 10. Enjoy broad compatibility. What we like. This keyboard uses responsive red switches, ideal for gamers who need fast actuation. Its compact size saves desk space, and the LED backlighting adds a cool visual element to your setup. If you're a gamer who wants speed and a compact design, this keyboard is a solid choice. What people say. The optomechanical switches, which provide a satisfyingly tactile feel and incredibly fast response times. The key presses are both comfortable and precise, making typing and gaming a breeze. The customizable RGB lighting is a fantastic feature that not only adds a touch of personalization to my setup but also enhances the overall aesthetics of my desk. The dedicated multimedia controls and the ergonomic wrist rest have also proven to be extremely useful during long gaming sessions or work marathons, ensuring both comfort and efficiency. Love it. Actually find myself using it more than my full keyboard when not playing a game. No delay. Build quality is pretty good. Fits amazing. Color and lighting designs are actually better than my $100 Steel series. Makes that click-clack noises for those that want that sound. Definitely getting the value for money. Will increase your typing speed as way smaller than a full keyboard, as this keyboard fits inside my full keyboard letter space with keys sticking around it, perfect for COD, Rust, Ark, GTA V, Satisfactory, or any other games you could think of. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.